With Home Designer, you can place doors and windows and customize to create just about any style. To place a window, select the Window tool and click to place. To resize or move the window, select it and move or stretch it to the desired size. Every architectural object in the program, like windows, contain a significant amount of information that can be used to create very specific and detailed styles. Notice all the panels that are available to customize the window: window type, size, casing, lintel, shape, rough opening, framing, and others. For this example, we'll change the window type to a double casement and add Craftsman-style lights. Notice that the preview panel updates as changes are made to the window. In the 3D view, the changes are now updated. Placing a door works the same way as placing a window. When the Door tool is selected, there are several door types to choose from: hinged, sliding, pocket, or barn doors. Each time a new door is placed, such as this exterior door, it will use a default style that you can customize. When doors or windows are selected, temporary dimensions display and can be used to precisely position it. With the Center tool, you can quickly center the door in a room. Click the door, then the Center tool, and the item to center it on, in this case the entryway room. To change the door's swing or hinge side of the door, click on either the Change Opening Hinge Side or Change Swing Side button. Doors can also be displayed open using the Show Open in 3D tool. Again, to save time, I'll place the remaining doors and windows for the house. And that's how easy it is to place doors and windows in Home Designer.